Blue Ribbon Sports was the original name of which company? We have option Nike, Google, Sony or BlackBerry. The right option is Nike. Tokyo Tashunshin Kyogo was the original name of which company? Nike, Google, Sony or BlackBerry. The right option is Sony. Bread's Drink was the original name of which famous company? Option is Pepsi Cola, Google, Sony or BlackBerry. The right option is Pepsi Cola. Research in Motion was the original name of which famous company? Pepsi Cola, Google, Sony or BlackBerry. The right option is BlackBerry. Back Robe was the original name of which company? Right option is Google. Auction Web was the original name of which famous company? Among the option, the right option is eBay. Computing, Tabulating, Recording Corporation was the original name of which famous company? Among the four options, the right option is IBM. Toti M Store was the original name of which famous company? The right option is 7-Eleven. Pitte's Super Submarines was the original name of which famous company? Subway, IBM, eBay or BlackBerry. The right option is Subway. Thanks for watching.